Encountered a BIFF file from legacy Excel and need to access the data? This is the binary format used by classic Excel versions. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these Excel binary interchange format files. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open an BIFF file. Here's a sneak peek. BIFF, or Binary Interchange File Format, is the file structure used by Microsoft Excel for its XLS files, prior to the XML-based formats. Users encounter this term when dealing with legacy spreadsheets or programming contexts, as it defines how data, formulas, and formatting are stored in a binary workbook. BIFF is a record-based binary format. The file is a sequence of variable-length records, each consisting of a record type, length, and data. This design was optimized for fast loading and saving on older hardware by allowing sequential reads and writes, minimizing memory overhead compared to text-based formats like XML. Technically, the best program for BIFF is usually Microsoft Excel from Microsoft Corporation. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows offers only minimal insight, so spreadsheet analytics must be performed in a proper application. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the BIFF file and click Open With. Test Microsoft Excel first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. If your BIFF file still refuses to open, stay calm. The reason for the error is almost certainly the BIFF file's unique specifications. Let's consult our troubleshooting checklist. First, opening in modern Excel. Open BIFF files directly in Microsoft Excel, 2016 or later through File then Open. Modern Excel maintains backward compatibility with older BIFF formats. You may need to enable legacy format support in Trust Center settings under File Block Settings if security restrictions prevent opening older Excel format files. Next, using LibreOffice Calc. Install LibreOffice Calc, which provides excellent legacy Excel format support, including BIFF files. Open files through Calc's file, then Open menu. LibreOffice often handles older Excel formats better than current Excel, maintaining formatting and formulas. Save as XLSX or ODS for ongoing compatibility with modern spreadsheet software. Finally, converting with online tools. Use online conversion services like Cloud Convert or Zamzar to convert BIFF files to XLSX format. Upload the file select target format and download the converted result. This approach works without installing software useful for occasional conversion needs, though sensitive data should use offline conversion methods instead. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.